I'm Dr. Amy Brodsky, board-certified dermatologist and medical advisor to New Image Medical. I wanted to be a part of New Image Medical because of the potential I see in telemedicine. I believe that telemedicine is the wave of the future. In the old days, a patient would make an appointment, sit in a waiting room, and pay a copay. But with telemedicine, you have the control. You arrange a virtual visit that fits your schedule, and all visits are performed by a licensed medical professional. The best part is you can get evaluation and treatment from the comfort of your own home. And if you order from New Image, there isn't even a copay. Thanks to telemedicine, you can see your doctor remotely. I see some of my teenage patients from their college dorm rooms through virtual visits. Telemedicine gives you the access to the care you want, where you want it from. And when you need a refill, it's a whole lot easier thanks to telemedicine. These days, patients are taking a more active role in their treatments. They spend time online doing the research, and oftentimes they know the prescription they want before they meet with a doctor. The bottom line is telemedicine gives you more control over your healthcare, and New Image offers many options that may help you on your healthcare journey because you deserve quality medical care without boundaries.